Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find about complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. We have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Next, we need to do second derivative of this one. We have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solution, so this one equals to number 0. And now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one go in here. Next, we need to do factorization by e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to find the solutions of this one. So, if we find the solution, you got about lambda equals to negative number 1, lambda equal to negative number 2. So, we have yc equals to c number 1. That is about constant number 1, e to the power of negative number 1 s. That's about from lambda. So we change lambda into negative number 1. That's why we have this one. And I will put negative s. And we have c number 2, e to the power of negative 2s. Next, we need to find about particular solutions. So if we look carefully about this one, we need to find about yp. So we see that we have e to the power of 2s. So we need to put about yp capital A e to the power of 2s. Later that, we need to find first the derivative of this one. So we have 2ae to the power of 2s. And later that, we find second derivative of this one. And we have 4ae to the power of 2s. Next, I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, we need to simplify. We have 4 plus 6 and number 2, so we have 12. Next, we have 12a equals to number 10. And now we can find about capital A in here. And that should be about 5 over 6. Now we put 5 over 6 gone here. And now we have the final answer. Y equals to yp plus yc. This is the end. Thank you for watching.